Fix server execution failed Windows Media Player error. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Solution 1. Restart the Windows Media Player process. If that didn't work. Solution 2. Run the video playback troubleshooter. If that didn't work. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Solution 4. Disable the Windows Media Player network sharing service. Fix it now. Solution 5. Apply full access to your local user folder. Right-click on your user folder, which contains the media files, and select Properties. Choose the Security tab in the Properties window. Choose your user account from the list and click OK twice. Click Select a Principal to open a user group selection window. Select your user account again. Click the checkbox for full control to select the basic permission setting. Click OK on the permissions entry window and any other open windows. Solution 6. Reinstall Windows Media Player. Double-click on Media Features to expand the options. Uncheck the checkbox next to Windows Media Player and select Yes. Click OK to disable Windows Media Player. Restart your Windows system after disabling Windows Media Player. After restarting, open the Windows Features window again. Select the checkbox next to Windows Media Player. Click OK to reinstall the software.